What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if this is your first time at our channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Travis Sickle, and in this video, I want to talk about the 2 extra refund checks that you might have already received or you're going to receive. And I did a YouTube short that I just posted a few minutes ago or about an hour ago. If you didn't get that notification, make sure that you're subscribing so you can get updates on what's going on. But I want to go a little bit more in depth into these 2 refund checks that you might be getting, just so you understand exactly how they work, because there might be a strategy that you can still get a bigger refund check. So maybe even a 3rd refund check. And I'm going to talk about how you can do that. So the first one is the unemployment. So the American Rescue Plan Act changed the unemployment for the first $10,200 and made it tax-free. But look here on the IRS's website, it says the American Rescue Plan includes retroactive tax benefits that can help taxpayers. And here's what's important to understand, that you don't have to do anything to get this money, but you want to make sure that you're following up to make sure that you do get it. So maybe you're the one person that falls through the cracks, or a handful of people that fall through the cracks and don't actually receive it. You want to follow up. You just want to be proactive on this stuff. But you don't actually need to do anything unless, look here, it says your modified adjusted gross income is below $150,000 during 2020. If it was above $150,000, you might still be able to make contributions to your retirement plan if you're a small business owner or independent contractor, and file an amendment in order to reduce your adjusted gross income and then qualify to get this $10,200 as tax-free income. So you want to take a closer look at that. And you also want to make sure that if you did not get the refund check, go back and verify that you do qualify and follow up with the IRS to make sure that you're getting the check. But according to the IRS, they're going to look at your tax return, be able to sort it out. So if you already received it and wondering what that money is from, likely this is one of those answers. The second one is the premium tax credit. Now, there's not as much of a strategy here, because in 2020, if you applied and received the premium tax credit, but then later earned too much money, that means you would have had to pay it back. Well, with the American Rescue Plan Act, they said, you know what, forget about it. Keep the money. And if you already had filed, the IRS is going to do the same thing as for the unemployment. They're going to go back and retroactively give you the money back. So it's as if you qualified for the full amount of the premium tax credit, even though you did. So that's basically what is transpiring in this second paragraph, which is really interesting when we're looking at the premium tax credit, that they put something in there that the only real way that it would benefit you is if you actually earned more money than you thought you were going to earn with the premium tax credit. So if you had a downturn in your finances, well, it would have been exactly the same. Your tax software, your tax preparer would have said, yeah, you qualify for the full amount, which you already received, so you're not going to pay any of it back. But if you earned too much money and then you paid it back, the IRS is now saying, and this isn't something the IRS came up with, this is just the law. The IRS is just administering it. But they're coming back and saying, yeah, we're going to give you the money back. So really bizarre, this particular piece. I understand the unemployment, trying to help people out who are on unemployment and give them a little bit more of a boost so they don't have to get unemployment and then just pay taxes on the unemployment like they normally would. But with the premium tax credit, that's not a thing for whatever reason. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. But these are the 2 checks that you want to pay attention to. And if you don't qualify for that first one, make sure you go back and figure out how to reduce your adjusted gross income. That is one of the ways you can do it. You can put it into your retirement plan, but you really have to be a small business owner or an independent contractor, because you could still open and fund certain retirement plans, including extensions. So you still have time in order to do that. If you're already filed, you can file an amendment in order to do this. So huge benefit if you qualify. And that is the update for the 2 tax refunds. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.